Welcome back again. How are we going to obtain f of x given that you have f of x plus 2 equals f of x plus 5 plus 3? And let's have it to be solution. Now from here, since the relation between this function and this is fulfilled by an arbitrary function x, so the linear function f of x equals mx plus c can or may satisfy the problem. So from here, from this side, we have f of x plus 2. We can have this to be equals, instead of x that we have here, we have it as m multiplied by x plus 2, then plus c. Likewise, f of x plus 5 will also be m multiplied by x plus 5 plus c. So if we substitute everything back in the above, so we are going to have this as m times x plus 2 plus c equals m times x plus 5 plus 3 plus c. And so from here, let's open the parentheses with m. So we have here to be mx plus this times this, we have 2m plus c equals this time this will be mx plus 5m plus 3 plus c. Now, it is glaring that this, we cancel out this, so we have 2m plus c left to be equals this 5m plus 3 plus c. The constant c we also cancelled out, so we have 2m equals 5m plus 3. And so therefore from this side, by collecting the like terms, so we are going to have 2m minus 5m equals 3. So 2m minus 5m will be minus 3m equals 3. Multiplied through by minus, so here will be minus times minus 3m equals this will be minus 3. Minus times minus will be plus 3m equals minus 3. Dividing through by the coefficient of m, which is 3. This will cancel out this. So we have our m to be equals minus 1. So from the general expression f of x that we consider to be the solution, which is mx plus c. So from here we have f of x equals, our m is minus 1, here will be minus x plus c. And this is the general solution for f of x.